offers a revolutionary wall solution that maximizes spatial flexibility, yet is uniquely simple. A movable wall without visible supports or compound connections. Walls that are lighter in scale, yet robust in their ability to be reconfigured. This is Lightline, the only movable wall product that combines the look and feel of storefront with the flexibility of movable wall. By combining a minimal kit of parts with unitized construction, Lightline responds to complex space planning with a simple elegance. Lightline is pre-assembled to ensure quality, reduce time for installation and reconfiguration, and minimize material waste. At the base level, panel height adjustments are easy and intuitive, allowing for quick installation. During reconfiguration, flooring remains damage-free. All corner trim conditions are pre-notched to give a mitered look without gaps, seams, or misalignment. Panels are securely designed and expertly installed without the need for extra structural support. The aluminum ceiling track offers free float adjustment and secures to the top of the panel, while the unique trim design minimizes a shadow reveal line. The overlap detail at glass corners enhances the overall aesthetic and supports simple reconfiguration. Versatile door offerings include sliding or pivot options in glass, wood, or other substrates. Soft stop or self-close doors enhance user-friendliness. In full form, Lightline offers unlimited runs of glass storefront, unobstructed by posts or supporting architecture. These continuous glass panels maximize the amount of natural daylight throughout an environment,